who wants to pursue and achieve. As they say, there is nothing wrong to dream and aim high, especially for children like us who have the courage to overcome trials and obstacles to reach the star we've been dreaming to get someday. For the last 6 years we have been together, we have shared our dreams and ambitions with one another. Some want to be a superior pilot, while many of us dream of being professional journalists, engineer, nurse, or a stewardess maybe. Now that we are about to graduate, we have reached the first step of achieving our goals in life. Let's take an imaginary trip forward to the year 2025 and see what has happened to the boys and girls of the 6th grade class who finished their studies in the Baldor Section Academy in year 2013. Kirby de la Cruz is now a graduate from Philippine Military Academy and is now doing well in military service. There's a hearsay that he will be the youngest chief of staff in our country. Richard Esquivel is now running a business of his own. The family-owned Tars business is doing well and is planning to have a branch in other new towns and cities. Eileen Alonso, who took a veterinary medicine, is now licensed and starting to put up a pet clinic. Arjunal Stasio. If you want to wake up in a good mood, just listen to the voice of Arjunal Stasio, who is now a radio disc jockey every morning, RRFM. Jerome P. Garcia, who followed the path of his grandfather, he is now a senior police inspector in our own municipality. Daryl Aubrey Galapon is now a registered nurse. She is now working as a head nurse in one of the finest hospitals in Metro Manila. Jerome P. Gonzalez was a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Agriculture in Los Baños, Laguna. He is now one of the top suppliers of different food seedlings in our country and starting to export in different agricultural countries. Godfrey Lazaro is now a college instructor. He is finishing his doctorate of education. Andrea de la Cruz is now an athlete. She won various gold medals. Just recently, she won the 100-meter dash at the Southeast Asia Games. She is considered as one of the fastest women in Asia. Josh Michael Mantalas is a journalist and at present works on a column writer of Philippine Star newspaper. Glendor Bacada is now the head medical technologist in the Good Samaritan Hospital. Zara Magapo is a graduate of Hotel and Restaurant Management. She is working as a chef in one of the luxurious hotels in Asia, the Royal Suite in Dubai. Ivan Dominic Remolazzo, who loved drawing at an early stage, he graduated from the University of Santo Tomas with a degree of fine arts. He pursued his dreams to work in films. He worked in a various positions and is now a supervisor in animated feature production in Warner Bros. John Joven Santos is now married and a father of 2 children. He now owns and runs one of the finest resorts here in the Baldor, the Sunshine Wave Resort. Gian Salazar is now a doctor of medicine. She is now expert in treating all types of cancer and is now one of the top leading oncologists in our town. Joshua Byron Salazar is a graduate of law in University of Baguio and one of the top 10 examiners of this year. He is now associated with J.P. Bautista Law Firm. Steve Nathaniel Somento, a computer analyst, is now an employee in a large industry of an oil and gas extraction, one of the highest paying jobs. Richmond Valentin, after a long patient and hardworking, Richmond won the Pilipinas Got Talent 2022. He is who in different TV guestings and TV commercials. As for me, I can say that I'm now the highly qualified accountant in town. Despite of my struggling in math, I pursue my career in making. I'm still dreaming to put up my own accounting firm. Classmates, did you feel what I feel? It's still so overwhelming, knowing what we will become after 15 years. But for me, it's not only a dream. It is a dream that needs fulfillment. If only we would persevere, study hard and pray, nothing would be impossible to reach. In Book of Psalms says, delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you your heart's desire. This prophecy serves as a challenge among the graduates. May we all achieve these dreams. Thank you and God bless us all.